Yo guys, welcome back to the new DirtBike Lunatic episode. Once again, we're back with another epic collection of moto videos. And in this video, we'll show you some of the angry, crazy and exciting moto moments. Guys, stick with us till the end, because we got some awesome content to show you. And don't forget to like this video, because it helps us a lot. So, let's start.
A year. I don't know what that translates to. Oh, what the hell was that? What the hell was that? Something hit me.
This biker did a little wheelie and luckily police didn't saw him. But check out what happens next.
Oh, come on, head. Come on, head. Come on, head. Which lane are you going, head? Which lane are you going, head? Which lane are you going, head? What lane are you going, head? What lane are you going? Have any idea what you're doing, you brain dead you head. Can love to pull up, knock your head off.
This truck driver couldn't decide in which lane to drive, and this biker said that he's sorry about his language, but situations like this happen every day to him, so he had enough.
Do you have any idea what you're doing, you dumb idiot? You're all over the road! All over the road! I've got a camera! It's recorded all of it, you moron! You dumb off, idiot.
Sucker!
You're a f***ing mate.
You'll be a f***ing dead.
Rightio, mate.
This biker spotted few stray puppies on the side of the road, and unfortunately he couldn't take them with him, so he decided to at least feed them. Check out this nice clip.
Is it a neutral? Drive on the path. Drive on the path. On the path. That's it. Bit more. Bit more. There. You okay? Alright. See you later. Stop.
I was just trying to make the leg. My bad, man. I just wanted to make the leg. The white one? No, I didn't see that. Yeah, alright, my bad, dude. Okay.
You're doing it again! Take your mirror!
These bikers were coming to a stop, and unfortunately their riding buddy didn't pay attention to the road. And most importantly, everybody was okay.
I can't hear you because I've got music in, but back there you didn't look. I had to breathe. I didn't see you, that makes sense. Yeah, I had to breathe. I've got my girl on. I just told you, I can't hear you. I've got music on. What I'm saying to you is that put me in danger. Yeah? I didn't see it. If it's helpful, I know the mirrors on these aren't very good. If you go to Helpers, you can get the little extra bit of mirror, and you can see everything. They're like £5, they're really good.
Was that? Were you trying to do like a run on to the GT Racer trick or something? Yeah!
And that's it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want more videos like this, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out DirtBike Lunatic store and get yourself some DBL merch. Until the next episode guys, ride safe.